welcome to another yet exciting video. Today I'll be reading you Sleepy Dog. This book is by Harriet Ziefert, illustrated by Norman Gabbalty. Let's get reading. Time for bed, sleepyhead. Sleepy, sleepy, up to bed. Head on pillow, nose under covers, cat on bed. Kiss me good. Kiss me good night. Turn on the moon, turn off the light. Sleepy, sleepy, sweet dreams tonight. I dream I am eating. I dream I am jumping. I dream I am running. Someone is chasing me. Help! Now I am awake. I need a drink of water. Sleepy, sleepy, back to bed. Tick, tick, tick. The clock says tick, tick, tick. The clock shouts, ring, 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 wake up. Turn off the moon, turn off the clock. Turn on the sun, turn on the light. Good morning, cat. Time to play. Good morning, little dog.